Good evening, Professor Gardner and fellow EDU 120 classmates. The educational technology I am reviewing is Piazza was created by Pooja Sankar, who was only one of the 3 women in her major, computer science, with probably 50 other men. She felt nervous and anxious to ask questions and to reach out to her fellow male classmates. That is why she created Piazza. Piazza allows students and teachers to pose questions outside of the class. Piazza would satisfy number 1, facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity on the ISTE standards for teachers. Piazza specifically links with C under 1, which states that the technology is a collaborative tool to reveal and clarify the understanding, thinking, and planning of the student. The virtual environment allows the collaboration of students and teacher outside of the classroom. Piazza then satisfies number 2, communication and collaboration on the ISTE standards for students. Students are able to help each other on homework problems. Piazza would link with A under 2. All students in the class are able to collaborate on problems rather than being stuck and not getting the understanding they need. It also brings teamwork into the classroom. How many of us have been stuck on a problem from homework but didn't get the help or had the guts to ask the professor in class? On Piazza, students do not have to worry about not understanding because a classmate and the teacher are able to help outside of the classroom. Also, shy students are always going to be in the class. Piazza allows interaction between students, which creates a stronger connection in the classroom. Soon, all students feel as if they are not alone in the journey of education. Teachers are also there to interact with their students. This also tears down the fear of the teacher and all students at one time and another. Students cannot fully understand a new concept every time, and each student understands a different idea from another. The teacher can then help the students more than just that hour in the classroom. The one downside I have experienced in this tool is the organization of when questions are posted and then when people comment on them. Sometimes it can be hard to find the particular question that you commented on beforehand. Usually the teacher can set up the tool to send notifications every time a new question is posted, but comments and solutions are much different. Solutions can have a notification process also, but sometimes comments are more difficult to be known about. Mathematics, chemistry, physics, and economics are usually the main fields which use Piazza. Teachers could instead use participation on Piazza instead of looking to see if students did homework. This would help teachers see what the students are really learning and understanding rather than glancing at the finished homework. Now I will actually take you all to Piazza, the one I am actually using in my Logic and Sense class right now. Okay, so each question is organized into what week it was posted. So let's go to week 5. Then we all name the question by what problem it is, usually from what the book is. So let's check out question 54. Finally, if we want to post a solution, we can below in this solution text box. And then if we want to put up a follow-up question or help develop the idea, the student or teacher can also post something in this designated area. Thank you so much for listening today, and I hope that learning about Piazza gives you an idea of how you could use technology in your classroom.